Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're just watching me for the first time, please do subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section, guys. And for returning subscribers, thank you guys for always watching. You're just all the best. I love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to achieve this Gele. Once you're able to follow the simple steps I'm going to be showing you all today, it's definitely not going to be difficult. If this video helps you in any way, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in the comment section. Thank you guys so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the ASO'OKE, because this is an ASO'OKE that I am using right now. I folded the edges of the ASO'OKE. Thereafter, I made pleats on her head. So after making pleats, you want to make sure that you arrange the pleats properly so that they come out really neat and beautiful. The rule for this Gele tutorial today is 50-50. You have to make sure that the both hands of your Gele are equal. None should be longer than the other one. The both hands should be equal. So at this point, I'm going to pick one hand of my Gele and I'm just going to make pleats. Just follow the steps that I'm showing you all today and you will definitely get it. I'm going to make pleats. So guys, I'm going to continue making my pleats until I reach the end of the ASO'OKE. You also want to make sure that as you're doing this, your pleats are neatly laid, because it's actually the beauty of everything I'm doing today. It's the beauty of the Gele in itself. So you want to make sure that your pleats are neatly laid. At this point, I'm going to trace the pleats that I've created towards the end of the ASO'OKE. Then I'm just going to pin everything down so that it stays in place and so that it doesn't unravel. So I'm also going to pick the second hand of the ASO'OKE right now, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did for the first hand of the ASO'OKE. I'm going to make pleats until I reach the end of the ASO'OKE. So guys, at this point I'm done making my pleats. I'm going to take the both hands of the ASO'OKE and then I'm going to place them in opposite direction, the way you can see me do in the video. I'm just going to twist them. Once you're doing this, you want to make sure that you tell your model to hold one hand of the ASO'OKE so that while you're doing the other hand, everything does not unravel. So at this point, I'm going to pick one hand of the ASO'OKE and create a little ruffle there, the way you can see me do in the video. So guys, once you're done doing this, take the second hand of the ASO'OKE and start creating ruffles on top the first hand of the ASO'OKE that I created ruffle with. It's not difficult at all. This is actually the beauty of the Gele, so you want to make sure that you take your time in doing this. I have so many videos on how to create ruffles, on how to tie ASO'OKE, on how to tie satin fabric, either on yourself or in your client or model. So guys, please don't forget to check them out, because I know that they will definitely help you in knowing how to tie any form of Gele at all. So don't forget to check them out, guys. I love you guys so much. So at this point, I'm still going to keep on creating my ruffles. I'm just going to be creating everything on top the first hand of the ASO'OKE. There are no particular rules in creating ruffles. These are just folds. As you can see, I'm just folding the gele in a way that everything comes out beautiful and nice. So there is actually no rule in creating ruffle. Just follow what I'm showing you and it will definitely come out beautiful. But once you're doing this, you want to make sure that you are using a lot of pins so that everything stays in place. I always emphasize on this because you don't want your gele to unravel at any point. So you want to make sure that you use a lot of pins so that it doesn't fall. Especially if you're tying a gele like this, it can actually easily unravel. So you want to make sure that you use a lot of pins like I said. So guys, I'm done creating my ruffles. I'm just going to quickly go to the back of her head and pin the ruffles that I've created to the base of the gele. The base is actually the first bit we created before bringing the two hands of the gele to the front. I'm going to pin that to the base gele so that it doesn't fall from her head at all at any point. And I'm just going to quickly, after doing that, I'm also quickly going to close the back of the gele. I'm going to close it. You can actually make it an open gele at the back or a closed gele. It all depends on how big or how small your gele is. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in the comment section, guys. If you've not turned on your notification buttons, please do that so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you guys so much and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.